Belly fat, or visceral fat, is more than just a nuisance that makes your clothes feel tight. It's a serious health risk linked to type 2 diabetes and heart disease. While you can't spot reduce fat, you can certainly transform your midsection in 30 days with the right strategy. Here is your step-by-step blueprint to a flatter stomach. 1. Master your nutrition, the 80-20th rule. Abs are made in the kitchen, not just the gym. Cut the liquid sugar. Stop drinking sodas, energy drinks, and even healthy fruit juices. These are loaded with fructose, which directly increases belly fat. Protein is king. Increasing protein intake boosts metabolism and reduces hunger cravings by 60%. Focus on eggs, lean meat, Greek yogurt, and legumes. Fiber is your secret weapon. Eat more soluble fiber, found in oats, avocados, and flax seeds. It slows down digestion, making you feel full longer. 2. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. Long, slow cardio isn't enough for stubborn belly fat. The strategy. Switch to HIIT. Short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief rest periods, e.g., 30 seconds of sprinting, 30 seconds of walking. Why it works. HIIT keeps your body in a fat-burning state for hours after the workout is over. 3. Strength training, build to burn. Don't just do crunches. Crunches strengthen muscles but don't burn the fat covering them. The focus. Compound movements like squats, lunges, and deadlifts. These burn more calories because they engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. 4. Optimize your sleep. If you aren't sleeping, you aren't losing fat. The science. Lack of sleep increases cortisol, the stress hormone. High cortisol levels tell your body to store fat specifically in the abdominal area. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. 5. Intermittent fasting, optional but effective. Try the 16 to 8 method. Fast for 16 hours, eat during an 8-hour window. The benefit. This lowers insulin levels significantly, making it easier for your body to access stored belly fat for energy. 6. Stay hydrated. Drink 500 milliliters of water 30 minutes before every meal. Why? It boosts metabolism by 24 to 30% for about an hour and helps you eat fewer calories during the meal. The 30-day checklist. Week 1. Clean your pantry. Remove processed carbs and sugars. Week 2. Start walking 10K steps and do 3 HIIT sessions. Week 3. Focus on 7 to 8 hours of sleep and high protein. Week 4. Fine-tune your portions and stay consistent. Note from the Health Lab. Consistency beats perfection. You don't need to be perfect for 30 days. You just need to be better than you were yesterday.